reverse. Reverse. Keep going, keep going.
I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. What's up, guys? I'm here on this nice, beautiful snow day, and got plowed in. I gotta get out. I'm gonna show you pretty much how bad the snow is today. Trish had to park on a road because she couldn't even get in, and my car got stuck in the snowbank. So I'm gonna blow that out, and then Trish, we're gonna go have fun in the snow. This 28-inch Snow Tech by Arians or by wherever. It's gonna throw a lot of snow so we can get out of here. Look at all that snow. I can't. Why? The fucking snow is going. Are you okay? The snow is going in my face. No, you're exaggerating. No. Yeah. So look at all that snow. We're gonna clean up the driveway, and then we're gonna go outside and have some fun. So I got most of the driveway cleared out, but I got Trish to do. Whoa! I almost dropped my camera because this is like all ice. But yeah, Trish is trying to plow. Oh, whoa. Yeah, so like the plow plowed this big thing of snow. Whoa, the fuck are you doing? The plow plowed like this big thing of snow right here in front of my car. I mean, yeah, my car's out in the driveway, but they plowed this big thing. So now I'm just gonna leave that in the road. But we're gonna get most of it done, and then we're gonna get outside. But as you guys can see, it's pretty bad up in here. It's actually really bad up in here. But Trish is having a good time, I'm having a good time, and my camera's getting beat on, like really bad. I'm gonna bring this back inside, I'm gonna clean the lens up, and we're gonna head out and have a goody goods. But yeah, that's ridiculous. And my car, well, that just moved. And the truck, that's gonna stay there. My parents' BMW, that's gonna stay there. RSX, well, you guys already know, that's staying there. And this is a garage queen for now. No biggie. So now I'm gonna tow the car out because we've already tried pushing it. Pushing it's not gonna work. Yeah. Truck plows you in. All right. All right, we're hooked on. Trish, I think you should get in the red car and put it in reverse and back out.
Peter's in there.
I'm just gonna get in the back in reverse, and I'm just gonna pull it out.
Peter. Yeah, Peter has to get in reverse. Peter, your dad's in here. He can't reverse it.
Okay. Put it in reverse.
Put it in reverse, Peter.
Are you ready?
Get ready. I'll tell you when. All right, start reversing. Start reversing. Reverse. 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 Keep going. Keep going. TJ, that's enough. He's just trying to burn my tires now.
I think that's fun, right?
Look at Peter.
Oh, Peter didn't know what to think. Little head sticking out.
Here, go up close and show him.
Too cool. Here, Trisha, you with some fruit. Oh, don't put your fingers over it.
So that's how we, as you can see, I had to drag it up here because it was really stuck. So now we can go about our beautiful and busy day. All right, guys, we're starting our journey now. We're going into, wait. Turn my wipers off because they're not really doing anything because it's not rain, but look at this snow out here. We're starting our journey off now, and I hope we're not getting stuck. Gas lights on, we don't got any gas. It's gonna be a rough time. Check me driving over the snowbanks. Look at this. Oh, we gotta get to the good road. Woo. We're safe now. But yeah, we're heading into town, and we're gonna hit up maybe some closed off parking lots and maybe see if they're not cleaned out, and we can maybe do a couple.
This is how you don't drift. Yes, it is. All right, just stop.
How gay do I look?
Really?
Yeah, guys, I brought down the PSI and my tire pressure to about 10 pounds of pressure. I think the issue is just too much snow. Way too much snow. All right, guys, I just found a good spot. What do you guys think of my LEDs? They're nice. But yeah, this is a good spot because it's all closed off, and there's loads of goodies to just get. Alright guys, so pretty much, as you know, there's not a lot of good drifting we can do because one, the places that aren't plowed are too snowy, as you can see, and the places that are plowed, they're not too slippery, and I got studded winter tires, so that's not really good for playing in the snow and drifting and stuff, but I mean, you get the gist of it. Now, I gotta head out, I gotta get some pizza, and we got a long trip home. All right, guys, I just got well, I'm here now. I gotta pump up my tire because I brought it down to 10 PSI, and we got free air here. So I'm gonna put the free air in. Trish, we got the pizzas. Trish on her phone like always. But yeah, we got the pizzas. So after a nice cold day out, what a journey it's been. I'm gonna put some air in the tires, head out, go home. Thanks for coming along with me. I know the drifting was absolute shit. It's usually much better, but just with the circumstances and everything, I hope you guys understand. We'll see you guys in the next one. See you next week, or no, I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys, and subscribe if you haven't, or comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thanks. Bye.